Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of the Hamptons Quarantine series. Oh man, I'm in so much pain. I woke up this morning and my back and leg are just spazzing. Maybe I'm sore from yesterday's workout. I got so many messages from everybody saying that they love the video. That makes me so happy. This is why we're doing this. We're just trying to entertain each other. Chris Ramsay still hasn't shared the prank we pulled on him in Vegas. What's up, man? Oh my God. How am I gonna shoot this video? Yesterday was a first in our 3-day lockdown here. We left the house. This is very exciting. We're leaving the house. We're leaving the house to go to CVS. We're doing a thing. We're doing a thing! I do not know what just happened, but in the span of like a minute, Emma has convinced me to let her put makeup on me. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Faux mink collection. Those look a little, yeah, those look good. There's so many different styles of nails you can get. Look at, wow. Glam fantasy. Can you imagine? Look at your rosy cheeks you're gonna have.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
Is this all for the...
Pretty princess. No, I think we got the right stuff. These are very unicornish. No? Seashells? Should we do your toes too?
I don't know how this happened. We were just chatting, just her and I, just, casually chatting. And then she's like, hey, if I get these nails, can I put them on you? And I'm like, yeah. So what about these eyelashes? What about makeup? And I was just a whole bunch of yeses. And now I'm committed. Oh. Do you need help with that? This is unnecessary. This is definitely an unnecessary step.
Does that feel good?
It feels okay. I'm gonna become a beauty influencer. Yeah, it's gonna be longer than I thought. This is gonna take way longer than I thought. By the way, I think this robe is stolen from a hotel.
But yes, it's called the Mandarin Oriental.
I don't even know how I agreed to this. How did this happen?
I'm doing a little bit of foundation blend on him. He actually has very nice skin, but there's some discoloration from old age.
I don't think it's funny.
Getting a real nice cake.
Okay, move on to the next thing. Okay. Content.
We're now bronzing the skin, and this is a little bit more challenging with the beard because it's going to be a little bit harder to accentuate his cheekbones.
They asked me to shave the beard.
Oh!
Let's see.
Now we're rosing the cheeks just a little bit.
So put some eye shit and lip shit.
What? Are you rushing this process?
I didn't think it was gonna take this long. I thought we'd be done by now.
What?
We were gonna have like 45 minutes of...
How long do you really think this was gonna take?
Like 13 minutes.
No.
That's sad.
Sisters.
Yeah. It's nice.
It is nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'd make out with me.
Okay.
What do you think, Mark?
Yeah, I did.
Would you make out with me?
Ultrasound?
Yes? Oh.
Whoa! With those calves, though.
Those things. I have no idea how I got suckered into this. All right, Mark, it's your turn.
Okay. You look looks so
Betsy,
good.
Betsy, don't post this on Facebook.
I will
Okay.
never get to don't post this on Facebook.
This was not my idea.
Gorgeous woman.
Thank you very much. People are getting bored, man. We're getting bored. Yesterday, I was so bored, I answered an unknown phone call. Block name, answered it. What are you gonna do? His name was Gary. He was selling timeshare. His daughter goes to Ohio State. His son's a lawyer. His wife's name was Sheila. He's a good guy. There's 2 more clips I haven't showed you from Vegas, and I'm just gonna title these, look how annoying Eric gets after a couple drinks. It doesn't shine good light on me. I just look super annoying. But it's funny. Have a look. How much for this guy? $40. 40? You're just happy I'm taking it off your hands so you don't have to hear that.
Oh, thanks God.
I'm so sorry, that was so annoying. But think of this, if you think that 15 seconds of squealing chicken clip was annoying, think of me that had to edit it and listen to it for like 45 minutes. So are we even? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is Eric LeClaire reminding you, we used to cough to hide our farts, but nowadays we fart to hide our coughs. See you tomorrow.
For symptoms? Yeah.
Why are you filming me, man?
For the symptoms?